Good day, everybody. We're out in the village area. I don't think we're 15 kilometers out of Surin, visiting with some friends here, and I thought I'd do a quick interview of him and get his opinion of living in Thailand and how long he's lived here, and we'll go from there. Good day, Mike. How are you?
Hello, Bob. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. I got questions for you, and I hope the microphone picks you up as well as me.
Sir.
How long have you lived in Thailand, first off?
Just coming over just 3 years now.
3 years.
We've been coming out here for the last 8 years, and I've been coming here since about the last 14, 13 years.
Did you live somewhere besides here in Surin?
I've travelled around, but mostly I've been here with my wife, so we've just been in this vicinity really, Isan, Surin.
And your wife is from Surin?
She's from, yeah, so this is her hometown, this is
Yeah.
her home house,
Yeah.
which we've purchased off the parents and renovated up really.
So you live out here, I'm guessing you're about 15 to 20 kilometers out of town?
Yeah, possibly, yes. Yeah, so quite out in the sticks, quite out in the country compared to back home in a busy city.
Yeah. Yeah, okay. And where are you from then?
Liverpool, UK.
Liverpool.
Yes.
We had a conversation earlier today about the Beatles.
The Beatles, yeah.
And he's just a little bit on the young side to really have been
I vaguely remember them, but my mum, obviously my mum, late mum and dad,
yeah.
remembered them, and I think my mum's sister used to go clubbing down to Matthew Street in her heyday, you know.
You talk about an ideal place to have lived during that era. My goodness.
Yeah, Liverpool at the time was booming with work, football, both football teams were very good, and the music scene really.
Yeah. Where did you meet your wife?
We met in a wine bar in Southport. We were introduced through friends.
Oh.
She didn't like me at first.
Don't let that be an issue, because mine canceled me from her contacts
Oh, right.
one time before.
Yeah.
So
And we sort of fell out. Well, we didn't fall out, just didn't see her for a year. My dad passed away, so we didn't go out for a year.
yeah.
And then we met again about a year later.
Yeah, sorry to hear
And
about
sort
your
of
dad.
clicked a bit, yeah, clicked.
So now that you're living here, what do you do?
You've got to have a hobby. You've got to do something. You just can't come here
That's right.
and not do anything. So I brought my hobby with me. We've always looked after dogs all our lives. Well, I have. I've always had a dog in the house. I've rescued a couple of dogs from rescue centres. So when we got here, there's just dogs everywhere. So we started feeding a couple. We take care of about 6 or 7 now,
Yeah.
of one ourselves. We feed them, medicate them, generally look after them.
But that's not the big deal. That's not your big passion.
No, my big passion's fishing. Yeah, I've always been an angler.
Yeah.
Ever since a kid, really. Fished all my life. Fished all over Europe. Fished Ireland, Scotland.
So I've already had the privilege of getting to see your fishing ponds and
Oh, yeah.
the feeding frenzy when it's time to eat, and how big. I mean, I haven't got to see really anything out of the water except the ones that jumped, and there's some
Yeah.
big fish there. So
Yeah.
our hopes are to be able to fly the drone over the pond.
And perhaps see them come up and take,
Yeah,
take,
so maybe
take
when
the,
you
take
throw-
the feed, yeah.
right.
There's three ponds at the back, all family family owns. I can only fish 2. I've stocked all 3 with Thai fish,
Yeah.
Thai carp, Thai catfish. They went in about the size of your thumb. They're now up to 12 kilo.
So another thing, Mike just recently put together a room out here
The fishing room, yeah.
for all his fishing gear.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, he's loaded it up.
I brought a load with me in a container. Most of the gear I had in UK was too small for here. The Thai fish are just massive and just smash it to pieces. So I purchased a lot of Thai rods out here. Brought me most of my big reels with me, and I've revamped one of the rooms as a fishing room.
Yeah, these are big rods here.
Yeah, it's all set out for the rods. They'll take fish up to about 100 pounds. And then I've got bigger stuff again. I'll take fish to 200, 300 pounds. Spinning rods, tackle, bait, whole pallets, fish pallets.
Pellets in here.
Yeah, to feed the fish. More rods, tackle, and dog food as well for the dog. To keep
So
everything.
he's still just getting this set up. He just actually did it yesterday, right?
Yeah, I done it yesterday. I cleaned it out and then
And look at the size of that net right there.
Yeah, it's a big catfish. When I get one.
So have you been able to fish anywhere else here in Thailand?
Yes, I fished all over Thailand.
Yeah.
I fished in every province really.
Really?
Um,
Wow.
I've had 4 fish over 100 pounds.
Oh my goodness.
4 different types of fish over 100 pounds, and 2 fish over 200 pounds.
Oh man.
So, the ponds at the back are only small and they won't grow that big, you know. But the big European owned fishing lakes, quite expensive to fish as well. Up to 100, 200.
Have you gone out to like Hoi San Ing? Do they have any bigger fish there?
A fish washing, but it's a hard water and you've got to get there first light.
Oh,
You've got to fish lures for the snakehead, and the Thai people tend to take everything really, you know.
oh,
They don't leave
yeah,
anything to
pretty
reproduce.
fished out.
Yeah, fished out, yeah, and they net it as well. Yeah. So to get anything of decent size or quality, you've got to go to a fishing park, basically.
So they have a beautiful, what is this, 2-rai here?
Possibly, yeah, 2 right.
Yeah, so it's a beautiful property. I flew the drone around it a little while ago, and pretty impressive. I'm going to share that in the video. And like I said, we're hopeful to go catch some fish when he's feeding them. He's just going to feed, and we're going to try to catch them with the drone.
Day breaks and I'm burned by the morning light. I make the same mistake more than twice. Same song, but brand new dance. I wear out my third second chance. You take my breath and I can't get it back. Might be time for me to face the facts. The best me is with you, but I know I got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young, but I know we won't give this up. Sometimes I lose my mind, and some days it's hard to find the reason why you stay by my side. You and I break our hearts open in half, just to see if we'll put them back. No matter what they try, I'll stay by your side. It's you. We go back and forth every time, waiting for one of us to cross the line. You got me and I got you, and we got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young, but I know we won't give this up. Sometimes I lose my mind, and some days it's hard to find the reason why you stay by my side. You and I break our hearts open in half, just to see if we'll put them back. No matter what they try, I'll stay by your side. It's you and I don't wanna see you. I don't wanna hear you tonight. I don't wanna fight you. You don't wanna know if I feel alright. I don't wanna just forgive you, I just wanna be fine. I'll be waiting for a sign to light up, yeah. And your heart is out of sight. I just wanna feel mine. Hey you, I'm gonna be the one for another one. Hey you, maybe then you'll know that I was never one. I don't wanna see you, I don't wanna fear you tonight. You don't wanna know me, you just wanna make sure you're right. I'm gonna be the one for another one. Maybe then you'll know that I was never one. I'm gonna be the one for another one. I don't wanna feel you tonight. Got me. Got me. Can I hear you? Got me. Got me. Can I hear you? I don't wanna call you. I don't wanna know what you think. I'm the one you go to whenever you feel like you're about to sink. I don't wanna just forget you, but I wanna be fine. I'll be waiting for a sign to light up, yeah. And your heart is out of sight. I just wanna feel mine. Hey you, I could become the one for another one. Hey you,
โอ้ยตัวใหญ่มากเลยอ่ะ
I was never one.
น้องเล่งน้อง
I'm gonna be the one for another one.
ตาม
Maybe then you'll know that I was never one. Be the one for another one. I don't wanna fear you tonight. Got me.
เดี๋ยวนั้น Good peaceful โอ้
So this kitchen, this is their outdoor kitchen. Do you mind me sharing your kitchen?
Go ahead.
It's a pretty impressive. It's actually very comfortable out here too.
Very beautiful.
Yeah, they put granite on their little table here.
Yeah.
Little table. It's like
Ionic.
yeah, the iron. Yeah, it's an antique iron. It's a giant.
I mean,
I picked that out.
they got that from an antique shop.
Today.
Yeah, very nice.
Yeah, really nice.
We brought that over from UK.
66 in
66,
America.
that's right at our old home where we just got sold out. This is a nice outdoor area where they have to come out and watch TV. And it's really comfortable out here. You get a nice breeze that blows through. So what do we have here? This is the
British
iron
one and
that
Thai one.
we saw up on
Iron.
above. And this is a British iron?
Yes.
It's a tiny little thing.
We bought from England.
Holy cow, it's heavy though.
Yeah.
Holy
The iron.
cow.
We put up to the like a.
Yeah, that's like. And
Can't
what
you
are
can
these?
use
Oh, these are for
the silk,
doing
high
silk,
silk,
yeah.
and then the
to
silk.
put the thread in here. Mike has a koi pond out here in the front yard. Look at them, they think it's time to get something to eat. Oh, happy, happy. Are these catfish over here?
Yeah, the two big cats, sucky catfish.
Yeah.
In the bottom of body.
How deep is this?
It's only about 2 foot, it's only shallow.
Oh,
I think it's 20 fish in it.
very nice. Nice little waterfall. It's a nice feature to be on the pond. It's so relaxing and comfortable out here. Sun Si, you want to be on camera? Oh, she said, no, I don't like cameras. I don't like cameras. Oh, don't be scared. I hope you enjoy the content. We visited our friends here, beautiful property. They're in Surin, as mentioned in the video. If you like our content, please like and subscribe. Doesn't cost you anything. This is Bobby and Jive. Time to get going. We're out.